Hey, this is Andrew here at Vespa Portland. One of the most popular accessories we sell is the RAM mount, which is used for putting your cell phone up onto your mirror so you can easily glance at it to see the functions of your phone or to follow along with a Google map. First thing you're going to want to do is take the bottom part of that mirror mount and the shim that fits your mirror and slide that onto the bottom. Get that shim and the top piece, and from there you're going to want to drop the included screw into the hole right above. Then take the nut, pop it in the bottom, and put your finger there just to hold it, and use the included Allen wrench to tighten it down. Grab the other screw and the other nut, drop it into the back side, put the nut in there, and tighten it down again. Next up, you've got your double ball joint socket arm. You don't want to back this thing off too much because there is a spring in here and it will come apart, and then you'll have to put the parts back together. So just back it off enough to where you can kind of maneuver it around the joint. Part of this is going to go on the mirror joint and the other part is going to go on the X grip, which holds your phone. Before you get that installed, you're going to want to take your X grip, which is pretty strong. This is how it holds your phone. And you want to add a little extra security to it by putting this rubber backing on here, which will allow you to go around the corners of the phone when it's fully installed. From that point, take the arm. Spring side should go toward the phone, put it on the mirror, and then slide in the X grip. And you can kind of position that, in this case, behind the windscreen so the wind and rain isn't going to hit the phone. Face it toward the rider and tighten it down when it gets to the position you want it to be in. One side of this rubber backing is longer than the other side. As you can see, this is the long side and that's the short side on the bottom. That means if your phone is in here kind of up or down, it's going to be fine because the rubber can accommodate that. The X grip itself is super strong. But it's nice to put the added security of having the rubber pieces around the bottom of your phone and the tops like that. At that point, it's not going anywhere. You're not going to lose this phone at all. At this point, most scooters have USB ports in the glove box, so it's real easy to kind of get the wire going and then snake it up through the crack at the glove box and follow it all the way up to your phone where it can charge as you ride. So that is it. It's a pretty easy install. Basically, it's a game changer. Whether you are new to town and you don't know your way around and you keep having to pull over to check directions, or if you're directionally challenged in general, or if you're a commuter and you want to see live traffic updates on Google Maps so you can avoid those backed up roads, or even for fun on the weekend, going out into wine country and you don't know those roads either and where am I? You can see a Google map all the time on your phone, just like you could if your phone was mounted up inside of a car, except this is way more fun to ride than a car. If you'd like to pick one up, we always have them in stock for both small and large phones. These will fit any mirror on any scooter, and we even have some handlebar mounts for motorcycles. This is Andrew from Vespa Portland. See you next time.